Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for k in 4 raised to power k minus 2 equals 15. So that's just a solution. But before I move on, guys, do you think you can solve this before I do? All right, let's say we have 4 raised to power k minus 2 equals 15. So from here, let's recall that if you have a raised to power x minus y, this is equals a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y. Because whenever original base are being divided, the power of the divisor is subtracted from the power of dividend, right? So that means that this will becomes 4 raised to power k divided by 4 raised to power 2 equals 15. So from here, if we cross multiply, we will have 4 raised to power k equals 15 times 2. 15 times 4 raised to power 2. So we now introduce log to both sides. Introducing log to both sides. So and we will have log 4 raised to power k equals log 15 times 4 raised to power 2. So from here now, let's recall that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equals n will come forward, we have n log m, right? So applying this to this, we will have k log 4 equals log 15 times 4 raised to power 2. And if you divide both sides by log 4 here, divided by log 4, we are going to have this cancelling this. So we have k equals log 15 times 4 raised to power 2 divided by log 4. Right? So let's recall that if you have log x times y, this is equals, from the law of logarithm, log x plus log y. So applying this to the numerator here, we will have k to be equals log 15 plus log 4 raised to power 2 divided by log 4. So which implies that k equals log 15 divided by log 4 plus log 4 raised to power 2 divided by log 4. Right? So here we will have k to be equals log 15 divided by log 4. But don't forget that from the law of indices, this will become, from the law of logarithm, this will become 2 log 4 divided by log 4. So we have this 4 cancelling this. So we have k equals log 15 divided by log 4 plus 2, right? So here now, we have k equals log. We can further break down 15 into 3 times 5. So we have divided by log 4 plus 2, right? So we have k equals log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 4 plus 2, right? So which will have k to be equals log 3 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4 plus 2, right? So from here now, we'll have k equals log 3 divided by log, we express 4 as 2 raised to the power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2, right? So we will have k equals log 3 divided by this, we have 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus 2. Here you see, so you can just factorize 1 over 2 out from here. So we have 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2 plus, here we have 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2 plus 2. So now we have to recall that if you have log x divided by log y, from the law of logarithm, this will becomes and equals to log x in base y. So applying this to the above, we'll have k equals 1 over 2. So then log 3 divided by log 2 will give us log 3 in base 2 plus 1 over 2. Then log 5 divided by log 2 will give us log 5 in base 2 plus 2. So this is our final answer. Or you say k equals 1 divided by 2. So that since 1 over 2 is common, so we have log 3 in base 2 plus log 5 in base 2 plus 4. So any of these you choose is your answer. Thank you very much. My green fan, you can also send super to support this channel. It helps me to create more content you love. I see every super thanks. I will make sure to give it a shout out in my next video. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.